Donald Trump ula bitar bha bat menta ula dom bat bitar namar baka Rusia ka China bat ka India ki trai lang bat pan rem bang ya ka bor jong ka Amerika.
U.S. President Donald Trump threatened to add 10% tariffs on any country supporting what he called the BRICS anti-American policies.
BRICS was set up to degenerate our dollar. And that's okay if they want to play that game, but I can play that game too. So anybody that's in BRICS is getting a 10% charge.
They are leaving their mark on the international system. BRICS: Brazil, Russia, India, China, and South Africa.
The group of emerging economies known as BRICS
trying to position itself as the voice for emerging economies and challenge Western dominance of global affairs.
Na kabanta kito gibom tip ka BRICS kadai ka jinga trai lang jong ka Brazil, ka Russia, ka India, ka China, bat ka South Africa. Tungan ya pet manta ha kayo kakot jong kini kiri ki ba crowbor hadu kata nadu usnem kat kanai spa kanai pesan ha ka ba ka PPP GDP jong kiri G7 kalong kumba kat nyaw trillion bat ka BRICS kadon tang kumba 10 trillion hanrai ha usnem arajar arposan ha ka ba ka PPP GDP jong ka G7 kalong san punyaw trillion kiri jong ke BRICS baro kiwei kidon kajing yasno lang jong ka PPP GDP kapoy hadu nyapo trillion.
The expansion of BRICS could definitely boost the group's global influence.
The BRICS countries together make up almost a third of the world's GDP, the world's economic balance shifting towards the BRICS and emerging economies.
BRICS alliance has overtaken the G7 in global economic weight.
Hakajing shisha kari BRICS kalami bujeli kemba 10% jong kijaj penreu jong ka partai kiba peniat palat kemba 10% jong ki marpo kendau jong ka partai bat kemba 10% jong ki umpnyang bat ki gas jong ka partai kumta kajing kali kalong kei ka baka BRICS kadang le balai ka crowbor hadu kata menta balai ka Amerika ka sngau shapting bat ka berngem ya ka BRICS tung sedang bersau tu ba balai kejeng crowbor jong ka BRICS ha ka ba presiden jong kari Amerika hi ukuslai kadon kumba lai teli ki dau ka bandingkong ka BRICS kadon ka bor panten klem no ya ka bor jong ka US dollar pet ya kane ka chata kajing crowbor jong ka dollar ha ka perthei kalanang ja arposne mensua nyopo persen jong ka pisa batit kalong haka dolar menta kalahiar sya ka henrupo bat kanang hiar susu menta kiri BRICS kidang temu pantau ya ka wei ka bisa BRICS ka badai ka jingya lek persya ya ka dolar.
Countries have started a bold discourse of ditching the dollar's dominance in favor of national currencies.
BRICS common currency is going to be, as it stands right now, a currency that's backed by tangible assets.
So India, of course, stands together with BRICS nations in exploring use of increasingly local currencies and potentially launching a BRICS currency as well.
States are like 6 of them, and they were trying to destroy our dollar. They were going to say, they wanted to create a new currency. Any BRICS state that even mentions the destruction of the dollar will be charged a 150% tariff, and we don't want your goods, we don't want to partake.
Kabanta baar ka BRICS kadang tray jar ya ka wei ka rukom tray kam ka batmai ban khanglat ya ka jing pendon kam bakla ya ka bor baka US ka bat ka World Bank bat ka IMF bat ka don ka jinga tu khana ka ba phla ka ba nimdei bane tu ka balai
Saudi Arabia and the UAE to join BRICS. Now, BRICS, the esteemed coalition of Brazil, Russia, India, China, and South Africa, is shaking things up in a major stride. Saudi Arabia, the UAE, and Iran have received invitations to join this group.
Kajingya so lang bat ka bor kayo ka kot jong kari China bat ka bor nuclear jong ka Russia ka BRICS ka i kumba ka dai ka wei kajingya so lang ka ba crowbor tam ka parthei kumta ka BRICS kala shisha ban peniyap ya kajing crowbor jong ka Amerika dai henrai sosan kumta satya pite balai namar don southly ki dau ki basuk ningkong ka US dollar kam day tang kapisa kadai kapisa jong ka jing shania haka jing kim jong ka parthe jong ka thma ki klam ne ka jing hiar ka yo ka kot ki nongbu pisa ki mare bej sha ka US dollar namar baka treasury bonds kadai ka bakraubor ka jing bu pisa ka basngan tam bat ong sisa ngi barok ni tip ba omdan basania ya ka China hak jing sisa ka China marway ka bat palat kemba praspa billion ha ka US bond kumta wat lada ka BRICS ka kwa yala ka jong ka pisa kan simpor slam pen rem ya ka jing shania ha ka dolar kiri BRICS kidon happening ka jing hapat ka India bat ka China kim don ka jing day ka jing sup iwe ka Brazil kadang don happening ka jing khun ha ka san parthe bat ka yo ka kot ka South Africa ka shania bah ha ka jing bu pisa jong ka resep ni bat ka jing yara pisa nak penta ka yo ka kot bat ka Saudi Arabia bat ka UAE kidon kam ya ka Amerika nak penta ka jing ya day jong kisipai bat ka balai ka United States ka don ha ka borsipai ka bakrautam ha ka parthe ha ka jing sha hausnam arjar aposal ka budget jing ya da jong ka Amerika kalong knai spak knai billion bat barok kiri BRICS barok kawai ki penlut tang san spak billion kata kalong tang siteng na ke ka ba ka US ka penlut marway kumta watada ka BRICS kasan hagayo ka kot mentah kamla banyak klat ya ka borsipai jong ka Amerika na ka jinglong ka bakrau bor ha ka parthe ate ka nei ka dai ka tang ka jingkran sapang kumno kiri BRICS kia so lang ban form ka wei ka group na ka banta ban yale persya ya ka US dollar